So if you are just signing in for the first time, you want to create a channel, this is exactly the interface you would find. So the first thing you want to do is to enter your Gmail information. Let's believe that you already have a Gmail account, right? But if you do not have a Gmail account, you come down here to click on create account. Follow every prompt that comes, entering your name, date of birth, and all of that. The process of creating a Gmail account is not difficult. So you go ahead and create your account. If you already do have an account, this is what you will do. Once you're done entering your Gmail address here, you click on next. The next thing you want to do is to enter your password. Once you're done entering your password, the next thing is to hit on next. So here we are. If it's just a newly created Gmail, you will definitely get a message like this. All right, so you customize your profile. Either you skip or you click on done. That's by the way. So as a new Gmail you just created, you would definitely have this kind of prompt. Personally, what I do, because I have several Gmail addresses, so what I do is to enter my recovery email instead of using a phone number. Remember, you cannot link one or the same phone number to several Gmails. Okay, so instead of using a phone number to recover the mail, I rather use another Gmail address. So I'm going to enter the Gmail address. Do not fail to do this because it's always very helpful in the future. Okay, once you're done, you click on save. You are going to skip this place. It is not necessary for now. So you skip the home address. So here we are. This is just you entering your Gmail address on your system or your PC. So what I want to do is to check if I am okay with my handle, top one winner. Of course, I am okay with that name. This is the name I want my YouTube to bear. You can decide to change yours. Each time I create a Gmail address, I usually have something in mind. I give a name towards whatever purpose I want to use it for. So this is not a mistake. But if you created your Gmail with a random name, you are free to enter here to edit the name and give it whatever purpose you want your YouTube channel to be. Once you are done, you come down here to hit on create channel. You just created a YouTube channel. It's as simple as that. Fine, you just created a channel and that seems simple and seamless, right? Here is the next interface welcoming you to YouTube. Welcome to YouTube Studio. So what you need to do, this is a fresh channel I just created now. I'm going to hit on continue. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to set up this channel. This channel is very empty. The way you have seen, the only thing this channel has is a name. This channel doesn't have a profile picture. As you can see here, it has nothing. Let me take you down to customization immediately. I'm going to click on this button that says customization. Okay, look at your sidebar. I tap on it, and then here I am supposed to set up my channel to a standard format of what YouTube requires. And guess what? The good news is I won't be taking you round to show you the entire customization as we speak now. That is because I already made a video I am going to attach. Just to look on this video you are watching, you're gonna find that video linked to this video. Okay, so you click on it or you go over to watch it. That video has to do with customizing your YouTube channel for maximum visibility. It is very necessary. So I have walked you step by step how to create your banner image, to fix your profile picture, to put your profile picture here, to enter your description, not just writing anything under your description. Everything you need to do to optimize this newly created channel is in that video. I'm going to pin the video on my description box as you are reading on this video, and also going to pin it in the comments. So go ahead and see that video. Trust me, I have broken everything down step by step. You're not going to get lost in any part of it. And if you have a question, I need you to go ahead, drop it in the comments, and trust me, I will get right back to respond to you. I will be seeing you in my next video. If you are meeting me for the first time, this is Coach Samantha 001. And if you have not hit on the subscribe button, why not? I share tips here on how to grow on YouTube. I share tips on how to make money online. This is the right channel you want to follow. And in my next upload, I will be showing you what to do, because as you come into YouTube, the next thing you want to do is to build your subscribers and then build your watch hours. I have made videos on those key aspects of you growing your YouTube channel. Definitely you would want to see them. So stay connected and see you on my next upload. Bye for now.